guys! Today I'm going to be trying on some Sézane pieces. I've never tried on any of their pieces before. They look very elegant and unique, so I am very, very ecstatic to try all of this. I love mixing and matching my wardrobe. I wear a lot of neutrals, but little pops of color here and there really add to the look. I got a lot of neutrals, but there are a few colors, and this is just going to be an honest review. I guess I should go right ahead and start with the Emal Cardigan. Such a pretty fall color. I'll include all of my sizing details below. Hopefully this shirt goes better with this. I think it will. This is the detailing on the sleeves, the button collar. It's a lovely color. It's very cozy too. Very cozy. Feels warm. Especially, I feel like you could layer this with so many things. Beautiful color, rich for fall, and the sleeve length is pretty because it's not oversized, which I appreciate. I like how it fits. It's very intentionally fitted. This one is beautiful. Next I have the Gaspard Cardigan. This color is stunning. Oh my goodness. It's such a beautiful color. Oh my goodness. This one is a beautiful color. Specifically a beautiful color on my skin tone because there's a contrast. I always thought the pale pink one was so cute, and it is. I just don't think it would look flattering on me knowing how pale I already am. I think it would make me look washed out. So I can wear it like this. I can wear it with a skirt. I can wear it with jeans. I can tuck it. See, this is simple, but it's very elegant still. I love when women show their décolleté because it's like a ballerina. This is beautiful. And it's soft, and it is light, so you can wear this in the summertime, walking through the beach, just to keep you a little bit warmer. But you can also wear this in the fall and dress it up with a trench coat or something. I honestly think I could have sized it down because they're a little big on me, but I love the bottoms of these because they stop right after my ankle. So, very cute. This is the Valentine Blouse. This is a very sheer piece, that's why I put a camisole under it. But the detailing here, look how beautiful. And then on the neck too, right here. I might tuck it. I think that's the best look. And then I could wear a belt with this, which would be really cute with some ballet flats. Oh my goodness. This is the Malcolm t-shirt. It is so beautiful. The collar and the V, it's not too low. I'm getting very excited because I don't find t-shirts that are modest, but also they come down in a V. If I bend over, it's not to be gaping open. I still have to hold it, but it's tight here. If I reach, it's not gaping open. So I love this t-shirt. I only got one color, but it's so flattering, especially where it hits on the shoulder. I absolutely love this. This is one of those things where you buy one but you want 5 because you'd wear it every day. This is what I would wear every day. This is the Theodora, and I personally love the buttons because it adds a little bit of personality and a little bit of uniqueness. And then again, where the shoulder hits, it's so flattering. And with this, I could wear this with a skirt. I could tuck it in, put it with a belt, ballet flats. So put together, so effortless, and I love it. I love this one. This is the Marcelo top. It is beautiful and elegant. I love the back, and it's form-fitting, but not too tight and constricting. I would again, wear this with a skirt and some little kitten heels, or maybe flats, or I'd wear it with jeans and some sneakers. Cute. This is the bag. The bag. It comes in this bag. This is the mini Justine painter. I got it in the raffia embroidery. This print is so beautiful. We have 2 straps here for a shoulder. We have 2 straps here for a handbag. On the inside, there's this little cinched bag. Tell me what you guys think. Let me know what your favorite piece is that I've tried on.